Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 814 Newbury Street here in Springfield, Massachusetts.
Come check out this charming 4-bedroom cape located in East Springfield. Let's go take a look.
This property checks so many items off your list with an open floor plan, updated kitchen, newer windows, all on a corner lot.
I love the 2 bedrooms on the main level with a full bath and 2 additional bedrooms on the second floor with a half bath.
With a finished basement and 3-season porch, you've got to come take a look at this one.
Around back you'll find a completely fenced-in yard, garage, and a large storage shed.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 814 Newbury Street here in Springfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at Vivithis Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.
Of 14 Newbury. Newbury. Wow. This property checks many. Take a look at this one. Let me do that one more time. Did I miss that? Wait, hold on. I'm sorry, one more. 3-season porch. I got it.
Right there.
Boom, boom, boom.